In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iMessage not working on your iPhone. So we're going to start by heading over to the settings app on your phone, and what you want to do is toggle on this airplane mode and then just wait 5 to 10 seconds, and then we're going to turn it off like so. Now sometimes just doing something as simple as this can fix the iMessage problem, and what we're going to do next is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page and click on apps. From here, scroll down again until you see messages, and then we're going to click on this, and where it says iMessage, you obviously want to make sure this feature is turned on and enabled. Now if you already have this on, then what we're going to do is turn it off like so. Then you're just going to wait 15 to 20 seconds and we're going to turn it back on, and then you'll just need to give that a few seconds while it activates and re-enables it to your account. And then you can go and check to see if that's fixed the iMessage issue. If that's still not working, the final thing we can do is head over to the settings app, scroll down and select general, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom. From here, click on shut down. Then once your device is shut down, you'll need to wait 30 seconds before turning it back on, and then you can turn your iPhone back on, and that should have now fixed the iMessage issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.